Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit, will you have some tea? No, no, thank you, not for me. I will have some carrots, I won't have tea. No, no, thank you, not for me. Hello, Mr. Cow, will you have some tea? No, no, thank you, not for me. I will have some grass, I won't have tea. No, no, thank you, not for me. Hello, Mr. Cat, will you have some tea? No, no, thank you, not for me. I will have some fish, I won't have tea. No, no, thank you, not for me. Hello, everyone. How do you feel today? Oh, great. Today we are going to learn all about letter C. Which letter we are going to learn? All about letter C. Did you watch my video about letter B? If you didn't watch my video, please watch it before starts letter C. Today I am going to teach you how to write letter C, the sound of letter C, word starts with letter C, jolly phonic song of letter C, and hands-on activities for letter C. Are you ready? Here we go. Letter C is a consonant. First, I am going to show you how to write uppercase C. There are two types of letters, uppercase and lowercase. As you all know, these are two red lines and these are two blue lines. This line we are calling as headline. This line we call as leg line. Yes, these two lines we are calling as tummy lines. Two tummy lines. Now I will show you how to write uppercase C. We start uppercase C from the headline and it goes to the second tummy line, around and stop. When you see this letter, which curve coming to your mind? Open curve. Yes, open curve also like this. Again, one more time, uppercase C, around and stop. Starts from the red line, I mean the headline, and it goes to the second tummy line. You also can try with me one more time. Around and stop. This we call as mother C, uppercase C, capital C. Now I will show you how to write lowercase c. Yes, same way we are writing lowercase c also, but we'll start from the first tummy line and it goes to the second tummy line, around and stop. Please don't go beyond from the second tummy line. Okay? It should be come up to the tummy line. Okay. One more time. Starts from the first tummy line. It goes to the second tummy line. Around and stop. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes. One more time. Do they look same? Yes. Even though they look similar, one is big and one is small. But they make the same sound. What is the sound of letter C? K. What is the sound of letter C? K. Okay. So next we'll see what are the words starts with letter C. Number 1. Car. It's a vehicle. It's a small vehicle. It has 4 wheels. It travels on the road. Your papa used to go to office by car, isn't it? Yes. Number 2, carrot. It's a root vegetable and it's a healthy food. We can make juice, salad, and even we can cook and eat carrot. Do you like to eat carrot? Third picture. Cow. Cow is a farm animal. It gives us milk and eats grass. So we can say cow is a herbivorous animal. Which type of animal? Herbivorous animal. Number 4, cake. You all love to eat cakes, isn't it? It's made by flour, butter and eggs. Do your mama make cakes? When your birthday comes, you can cut a cake, isn't it? Yes. Number 5, cap. It's a form of headgear. You can see in different colors and different types of caps. It protects our head and eyes from the sunlight. Now we all know how to write letter C. The sound of letter C. What's the sound of letter C? K. Yes. What are the words starts with letter C? Do you remember what are the words which we learned today? Number 1, yes, car. Number 2, carrot. Yes. Number 3, cow. Number 4, cake. Number 5, cap. Good job. Now it's the time to sing a song. Are you ready? Do you know the castanets? It's a musical instrument. The sound coming k, 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 k. Do you like to listen to castanet sound? Listen carefully. Now imagine there are castanets on our hands. Now we are going to sing the phonic song. 1, 2, 3, start. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, we are clicking castanets, we are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. One more time. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, we are clicking castanets, we are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. Oh, lovely! Now we all know how to write letter C, the sound of letter C, the word starts with letter C and the phonic song about letter C. Now it's the time to do the hands-on activities. Are you ready? Dear children, before you do the hands-on activities, you have to wear an apron. Today I am going to use squishy bags for this activity. So I'll show you how to make the squishy bags. See, this we call as Ziploc bag. So I'm going to add cream inside this squishy bag. So that cream you can make using flour and water and make a cream, and you can add some nice coloring. So I add pink color. As you wish, you can add any color. So after that we can write on this bag. Dear children, Today I am going to use squishy bags to write letter C. First I will show you how to draw uppercase C. One more time. Next I will show you how to write lowercase c. Before write lowercase c, you have to label this mixture on the squishy bag. Okay, now I will show you how to draw lowercase c. One more time, lowercase c. This is also a very interesting activity. You can try with your mama. My next lesson is letter D. Before my next lesson letter D, please practice letter C with your mama. See you soon. Bye bye.